Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a few very easy winter variation cases. So let's get started. This first one is very simple. You have this rectangle over here and this block over here. So you do a normal U prime R prime insert. So this next one is also very simple. You have this P shape here and you have a block over here, and these two headlights look like they're an U oval. So you first do a U move and then you insert it using U to R prime. That goes like this. This one is also very simple. You have what kind of looks like headlights from an U oval, and you have this half made U oval without this piece, and you have a piece over here. So you do a sexy move and then you insert using U prime R prime. This next one is also very simple. You have what looks like headlights over here, and these yellow stickers, they go in a way similar to an anti-Sune, and you have this half made cross on top and this block here. So you do double sexy and then you insert using U prime R prime. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye.